Want to learn new things? Let's talk about the fascinating relationship of volume, pressure, and temperature. Come on! Starting with a balloon. When you squeeze it, you're reducing its volume. According to Boyle's law, when the volume goes down, the pressure inside the balloon goes up. Now, think about heating a water. As it heats, it turns to steam and takes up more space. This shows Charles' law: when temperature increases, volume increases. Finally, if you seal the balloon tightly and expose it to heat, the air inside moves faster, increasing temperature and making the balloon stretch more. This is called Gay-Lussac law. As temperature increases, pressure also increases if volumes is constant. Kung sa science may katanungan, sa amin mo matututunan.